Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Moto X40. And to do this, first thing is to launch Google Assistant, and here I have it. Now let's find Firefox. You should see it as a first option, so click on it and then install. When it's finished with the download, we can click on the open, continue with notifications and allow them. Here we can customize the browser with a different theme, pick a toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, change privacy protection settings, read the privacy notice, and lastly click on start browsing. Now we can open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.